Hello guys, this is a Lexus 450e. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up your garage remote control link into your car. Alright, first you go into your car and turn on your engine. Okay, when your car start. Okay, then press the home button to set up program. Okay, then press continue. Okay, and then you're gonna hold your remote control garage. Press it down and hold it. Okay, and the garage is going up. Wait until the garage go up. Okay, and then you release the button and then press OK. Okay, then press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you are done setup, and the garage door is going down. Okay, and then you're gonna press yes. Program success. And then you're gonna press button right here, exit. Okay, and then you're gonna test again. Okay. All right, guys, that's all the setup. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.